By the end of this video, you're going to know my top 3 confirmations I use every single day to take every single trade. As you can see, this shit works literally every single day. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This strategy is so accurate, it gave me, the members and students, a 90% win rate quarter 1, quarter 2, and the 89% win rate quarter 3. And if you don't believe me, all you got to do is hit that first link in the description and join the free signal free telegram. As you can see, all you got to do is go to November 3rd. We scroll right here. You can see how we ended October. We went 30 wins, 4 losses. Literally took an average of 1 loss per week, giving us an 88% win rate, catching a total of 166,250 pips. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the month. Everything's data timed and documented. We post a recap the day at the end of every day. We post a recap of the week at the end of every week, and a recap of the month and quarter at the end of every month and quarter. You go to October 3rd, you can see how we ended quarter 3. July, we went 17-2, catching 72,813 pips. August, we went 23-2, catching 81,274 pips. And September, we went 16-3, catching 116,127 pips. Ending the quarter 56-7, giving us an 89% win rate. We had an 89% win rate quarter 3. Then we go to July 2nd, you can see we had a 90% win rate quarter 2. And then you can see we had a 90% win rate quarter 1. So we've absolutely been killing it this year. You go to right here, you can see we've been doing this since 2022. You go to subscribers, you go down to photos, over 1,900 photos, over 4 years worth of receipts. You can see screenshots, positions, screenshots of signals. You can see student results and testimonials. We got students getting funded. We got students getting just paid in general. We've just been doing what we do over here, y'all. So make sure to hit those links in the description if you're interested in joining and learning while you earn. Let's get back into this video. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. Hoping to have a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. So in this video, we're gonna be breaking out this beautiful GBP JPY setup. This was a nice 1-to-5 risk to ratio setup, meaning whatever you would have risked, you would have made 5 times that amount. So if you would have risked $100, you would have made $500. If you would have risked $1,000, you would have made 5 bands off this one trade alone. And not only did I catch this setup, look at the day at the bottom of the screen, Wednesday, November 19th. But you know I had to make sure the members or students ate with me as well. We're in the advanced play signal room. You see the same exact date, November 19th. You can see the entry, the SL, the TPs. You see the reactions. You see the TPs getting hit. We really do this over here, y'all. We was done for the day before even 9:30 market open. Also, we broke this setup down live during the London session live. So I'm gonna drop the link to the live stream in the comments. But if you go to November 19th live stream, you literally see us break this setup down, as well as other charts that went as projected. You also can see here how it was in drawdown, but why it's important not to chase price, but follow the flow of price. So in this video, we'll be breaking down exactly why I went for this buy setup and how you can catch a similar setup just like this one. So the first thing you have to do is you need to identify what cycle we're in. Fortunately for y'all, there's only 3 cycles price is ever going to be in: uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation. The reason why you want to identify which one of these cycles we're in is because based on what cycle we're in, not only is it going to explain what price is doing, but the direction price is going to be going next. But you don't want to do this on the same time frame you're looking for an entry off of. You need to do this on a bigger time frame. The bigger time frames explain what price is doing and the direction price is going. The smaller time frames only show you what price is doing at that exact moment. Both are important, but used for 2 completely different things. So when we look at price right here, we can see we have a clear uptrend, not just because of the juicy green candlestick, but because of the more technical side, we see clear higher lows, clear higher highs, clear higher lows, clear higher highs. So since we're in an uptrend, we want to only go for buys. Just like if it was in a downtrend, we only want to go for sells. But we don't just need to know we're looking for buys. We're in an uptrend. We need to know what needs to happen for the uptrend to continue and what needs to happen for the downtrend to come into play. Also, the difference between a retracement, a reversal, and a retest. And that's where the price action technical analysis playbook comes in. Price action and technical analysis playbook. It works on stocks, forex, options, and crypto. Now, I give this book away for free in Playmaker University, or you can get this book separately. It says right here, in order for the uptrend to continue, we need to break past the previous high, which gives us a new higher high. Look at photo below. We also have to respect the support level the higher low is resting on. So just like the playbook showed you, as long as we maintain this level of support and break this resistance level and alternative support, we're still looking for buys. The only way we'd go for sells and for the downtrend to come into play is if we break the support level and turn it back into resistance. That is step number 1. Identify the trend. Know what your game plan is going to be. Then this goes into step number 2, which is mark off your key price levels. Boom, we have our key price levels marked off. So now that we have our key price levels marked off, this is when we go into step number 3, which is when we go into the smaller time frame, the time frame we're looking for an entry off of. Now, Again, not only do you want to go for buys in the uptrend, but you want to enter buys off of support levels, enter sells off of resistance levels. Buys of support, sells off resistance. Now this strategy, especially with JPY, works during any time of the day, but I personally trade only London and New York session. So this is what price was looking like right at 230. So we see how price broke back above this level. So I'm going to be looking for buys if price can hold this low as support, or if we could turn this resistance level into support. So now that I have my game plan in place, this is when we simply just wait for our confirmations. So as you can see off the London session open candlestick, as you can see, we entered off the 315 candlestick. This was 315. So after price broke that level, after price retested that level, held at support, that's when we went for buys. And we hit a couple TPs, but as you can see, we was consolidating for a little bit. But you can see the volume picked up after a few hours and broke back up to the upside. This is why you don't chase price, but you follow the flow of price. Imagine if I try to identify the trend at the same time frame looking for an entry off of. I would have saw price break this level in a downtrend. Instead of going for buys here, I would have went for sells here. And that would have become another victim to a fake out liquidity sweep, or I would have been another person who entered talking about how the mythical bears and bulls just magically came into play. But like I always tell the members and students, the reason why you got faked out, your liquidity got swept, is because you're chasing price instead of following the flow of price and going with the trend. When the volume picks up, more times than not, it's going to go in your direction in favor. You're literally using everything to your advantage to catch a setup and make bread. And again, look how accurate these levels are. Price was treating this low as resistance, turned to support. Price was treating this low as resistance, turned into support. Look how price reacted to this level. This is exactly why we enter and exit off these levels, y'all. It's literally this simple. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my Signal service, my mentorship programs, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. If you're interested in taking your trading to the next level and learning directly from me, join Playmaker University, or I recommend scheduling a one-on-one session where profitable traders and confident traders are made. Not only are you going to get my complete strategy in video format, going over how to read the charts, how to identify my key price levels, those blue and gold lines y'all stay asking me in the comment section, how to enter and exit trades, how to trade news, my scalping strategy, my secret buy and sell limit strategy, trading psychology, how to deal with wins and losses, how to scale into trades, how to never blow your account again, how to double your account every month. But you will also get daily analysis setups for life, student member group chat, daily trade recaps for life, exclusive New York lives and trading plan Zooms, and y'all gonna get my famous price action technical analysis playbook that works on stocks, forex, options, and crypto. And on top of that, you're gonna get the trader's mindset, mastering psychology and risk management playbook that goes over leveraging risk, mastering discipline, how to never blow your account again, learn how to trust yourself while staying cool, calm, and collected. This is what helped one of my students turn $4, as you can see, yes, to $275. That is not Photoshop. You can see he's saying right here, I followed the playbook through a Hail Mary. Shout out for all you do. This is why I always say to follow the flow price and not chase price. His last dollars, he was damn near, he basically blew his account. And because he followed my teachings, trusted the playbook, he was able to turn a $4 account to almost $300 account. It's literally that simple, y'all. I made all the mistakes, so you don't have to make the mistakes. Instead, just learn from my mistakes and be successful quicker. So if you're interested in learning how to consistently not only grow your accounts, but consistent $500 to $1,000 days, click that first link in the description, watch the free trading crash course. Or if you already know you're ready to get in and lock in with me, click the link to go join Playmaker University or the one-on-one sessions, and I'll see you on the other side. Shout out to the Playmakers, man. Now, advanced play Signal, we literally just had a 100% win rate last week, and this is the exact same strategy I teach in the one-on-one sessions and in Playmaker University that averages not just a 90% win rate on a weekly basis, but also on a monthly and quarterly basis as well. You see right here, 16-1, 94% win rate. You see here another 100% win rate on the week. We go to a whole nother month. You see here how we ended Q1 this year, 44-5, giving us a 90% win rate, 17-3 January, 14-1 February, March, 13-1. And if we go to how we ended last year, 2024, we literally went 181 wins, 23 losses, averaging an 89% win rate all 12 months combined, averaging less than 2 losses per month. You're not gonna find any other mentorship or Signal service that does stuff like this. And not only do I call accurate signals, but I give you my entry, my S cells, my TPs. I notify you when the TPs get hit. I give y'all updates in the trades, and I drop a New York price watch list showing y'all what price is doing in that trade we're in, as well as what to expect and anticipate going into New York session, as well as other possible setups going into New York session. I go over where you should look for buys or sells. I go over specific price points and all of that good stuff, y'all. And you'll also get the advanced play signal for completely free when you sign up and apply for one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions, I make sure you earn while you learn. So not only do I teach my exact same strategy on a Zoom call on the charts just like this, but you get one session a week. Each session is an hour long, recorded and sent to you the same day. Those recordings are yours to keep for life, y'all. So you definitely get a huge return on investment, as well as you get access to the student member group chat and the advanced play signal room. So be interested in your trading to the next level. You know exactly what to do. Hit those links in the description, y'all. If you want to contact me directly, you can DM me on Instagram, TikTok, or Telegram. I respond to all messages. See y'all in the university, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace. We out.